Hi friends, welcome to Pyramid Build channel. Are you a person spending lot of money every month for Wi-Fi? This is a really interesting and happy news for you all. Just by paying 10 AED every month, you can enjoy unlimited Wi-Fi data package. Are you interested to know how? Please watch the video till the end to know how to avail the offer. This is a really interesting and exciting news for all the internet users who are waiting to use the unlimited package Wi-Fi. This offer is only for the do customers. If you are having a do sim, then you can get this offer and you can enjoy non-stop internet 24/7 with high speed net. Let me tell you what is the surprise and how to get this offer. Please take your phone to dial it now. We need to thank Do Communication for give such a great offer for all the internet user who are staying in UAE. So now we jump into the video to know what are the process. Just take your mobile and dial star 055 hash button. Go on. You will be getting such a message which you are seeing it here. Just type number 10 for more. There we go. Once you dial and send the message 10, you will see such a message 789. Just type 8 for Wi-Fi offer. Once you dial, you can see here enjoy high speed unlimited Wi-Fi UAE data from Do for just AED 10 per month, including VAT. That is the special offer. Please click 1 for accepting it and enjoy the non-stop Wi-Fi all over the month from Do Communication. Hope you all like this video, friends. Please keep sharing and subscribe this channel to get more videos similarly like this. Thank you. Bye bye.